Stay with me to the end as there's a twist coming, but if you are interested in getting funded, then check the video description underneath. Ready to discover an indicator that might pinpoint the exact bottom of every dip? This tool is totally free, and I'm about to reveal exactly how it works. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. If only this indicator could also alert us when the pizza delivery is at the door. Now that'd really be next level. But for now, let's look at Bitcoin. The price dips, the indicator flashes green, and boom, it's calling a likely bottom. Sure enough, the price reverses. If you had taken a buy position here, you'd be grinning all the way to the bank. Let's look at another example with Tesla stock. Same story, price dips, indicator goes green, and soon after, the price heads back up. Just as the indicator suggested. It's almost too good to be true, right? I know what you're thinking. Did I just stumble onto a secret Hogwarts spell for trading? Not quite, but there's definitely a logical reason why it works so well. In this video, I'll reveal exactly what this indicator is and how you can use it to catch the bottom on practically any asset with solid accuracy. Ready to level up your trading? Let's dive right in. The star of the show is the Williams Vix Fix. Sadly, not something that'll fix your squeaky chair, but it might fix your bad trades. It was created by Moody and published on TradingView. To add it, head to TradingView, pick any trading instrument and choose your time frame. I often use the 4-hour chart on Ethereum, but higher time frames like daily also work well. Then open the Indicators tab, type in CM Williams Vix Fix finds market bottoms, and select the one by Moody. If only we had a Williams Vix Fix finds my lost socks indicator, right? Once you apply it, you can adjust settings if you'd like, but honestly, the default works just fine for most traders. So, how does it work? The Vix Fix looks at volatility to spot possible market bottoms. Each bar on its panel represents the volatility for that period. Long bars mean higher volatility, short bars mean lower volatility. When volatility spikes, that can often mark a market low. If it hits a certain threshold, the indicator flashes green to signal a possible bounce. Just don't expect it to predict the exact moment your cat decides to knock stuff off your desk. In trading, nothing's perfect. The Vix Fix can show false signals or even multiple green flashes before the real bounce happens. I'm about to show you how to tackle those false signals and overlapping flashes by pairing the Vix Fix with another indicator. This combo can seriously elevate your win rate, so pay close attention. Let's bring in the Stochastic oscillator. Go to the Indicators tab, type Stochastic and add it. The default settings can look messy, but I use custom settings for a cleaner appearance and sharper signals, which I share in my free Telegram community. If you prefer the default, that's fine too, but I'll demo my custom version. Think of it like choosing between sweatpants and a tailored suit. Both get the job done, but one might give you that extra edge and style points. Now, here's how to combine them for a high probability strategy. 1. Wait for the Vix Fix to flash green. 2. Check the Stochastic. Make sure the blue line enters oversold territory. 3. Once the blue line crosses above the orange line after a candle closes, you can enter a buy. 4th, place your stop loss just below the last swing low. 5. Set your take profit to twice your stop loss distance. Often, this setup leads to a solid bounce and a tidy profit. In another scenario, the Vix Fix might flash green early while the Stochastic isn't yet oversold. Patience is key. Wait for that blue line to dip into oversold territory and cross above the orange line. When it finally aligns, the results can be very rewarding. In my experience, the Vix Fix is best at finding market bottoms, not tops. Want to kick things up a notch? Combine the Vix Fix with key levels such as order blocks. To do this, add the order blocks detector by Lux Algo. When the price pulls back into an order block, keep an eye out for that green flash on the Vix Fix, then confirm with the Stochastic oversold crossover. Set your stop loss around the middle of the order block and aim for twice that distance in profit or target another order block above. If everything aligns, you've got a powerful setup. If you'd like my custom stochastic settings or want to catch my trade signals, like when I alerted members about buying Fetch and it skyrocketed 25% in a week, hop into my free Telegram community, link in the description. I share plenty of insights there. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds, but it really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.